How much do we know the world we stay in? How much do we know about ourselves? Studies say there are 8.7 million different species exists in our planet, and 80% of them are yet to be discovered. Over 72% of Earth's surface is covered by salt water, home of 230,000 known species. Yet, we only explored 5% of the Earth's oceans. So imagine how many species are yet to be discovered. World's largest fish is the whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh an average of 20 tons. At 188 decibels, the call of the blue whale is the loudest sound made by any animal on the planet. Sharks can raise their body temperature to hunt prey in cold water and are the only fish to have eyelids. An octopus has 3 hearts, and the color of its blood is blue. What makes us different than other species are the curiosity of knowing the unknown, the nature of exploring, always challenging our intelligence to find out more facts. The oldest known age for a fish was an Australian lungfish found in 2003 and was still alive, being more than 65 years old. Saltwater fish do actively drink water. Their gills process the water and take out the salt. Turtles belongs to one of the oldest reptile groups in the world, dating back to the time of dinosaurs. Mariana Trench of Pacific Ocean is named the deepest ocean trench on Earth, with a depth of 36,037 feet, leaving behind Mount Everest more than 7,000 feet. So ask yourself, how much do you know this world and how much do you want to know? Because there is no end of knowing. So explore the mysteries of this unknown world and decide for yourself what is the myth and what is reality. We say we stay in a small world. We pretend to know everything about life. Let us come out of the deepest parts of the sea now and take a glimpse of the surface. To realize, if you truly love nature, you will always find beauty everywhere you go. From the steep waterfalls like Niagara, which was formed more than 12,000 years ago, to any other which appears because of the erosion in running streams for a very long time. Mountains were created because of the movement of tectonic plates, which led to the eruption of the volcanoes. And in a world of constant change and streaming technology, we find solace in the forest, where a tree remains a tree. Of all the paths you take in life, make sure a few of them leads to the dirt, leads to the emptiness of the deserts, because around 1/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by it. And the interesting fact is, world's largest desert is the Antarctic desert, and the average annual temperature range of this desert is -10 degrees Celsius to -60 degrees Celsius. Slot canyons are very narrow canyons, often with smooth walls. Rivers have a natural tendency to cut through the underlying surfaces, and that is how, cutting the resistant rocks, these canyons were made. The coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth is Siberia, where temperature in towns in the month of January is around -25 degrees Celsius. And as it is said, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations, and the best view always comes after the hardest climbs in life. Mother Nature is still a mystery to all of us, a puzzle which is yet to be solved. From the mysteries of the pyramids to the city of Atlantis, from the cosmic rays to the unknown visitors that came to our planet, the scientists believe that what we actually can see is less than 5% of the total universe. 25% is a strange substance called the dark matter, and rest 70% is made out of quantum particles, which is called the dark energy. If you look at the sky, a huge universe is waiting to be discovered. So let us go beyond the clouds now. Clouds, which are visible mass mixtures of tiny water droplets, ice crystals, and other particles presented in the Earth's upper atmosphere, travels at more than 160 kilometers per hour to see what is after the limitless sky we see from the surface, way beyond our religions, politics, wars, countries, and planet, to the eternal space. The first ever rocket was sent in space by the Soviet satellite in 4th of June 1957, and Yuri Gagarin was the first person to complete one orbit of the Earth, NASA's Saturn V, standing at 363 feet tall. Not only the largest, but it is also the most successful rocket with 13 completed launches. It is an amazing achievement, an amazing view of success. In 1957, the first man-made satellite was launched into the orbit, and currently there are more than 2,500 artificial satellites in orbit around the Earth. These satellites often affect our lives without us even realizing. Televisions, telephones, navigation, climate monitoring, and taking care of safety by connecting the planet in one thread. But there are still more dots to connect, more dots than we can even imagine. We feel black hole is like a cosmic vacuum that sucks the space around them. But experts say if you replace sun with it, Earth would not get sucked in. It would continue orbiting the black hole. But we should always remember, nothing is eternal. Someday, like other planets, we will also be erased from the existence. And again, from the depth of immense emptiness, new planets, new forms of life will be created. We are blessed to be a part of this infinite universe, this amazing journey of life. So try not to complain and do your best to make the most out of it.